Woo, hey, well, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. What the heck is going on with crypto? So we're going to be talking about that. I know that some of you are probably panicking out there. Some are probably wondering what is going on. Probably some of you are using some colorful language out there like beep, 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 mother beep out there when you're looking at what happened. So we're going to deep dive into that. I'm going to tell you if, I should be panicking. Should you be going like this? Or should you just be like going, it's business as usual? So we're going to be talking about that, much more. Hopefully by the end of this video, you got to watch to the end. You'll feel better, you'll feel easier, and you'll kind of have like a grasp on what is really happening. And, this is kind of like a reality check out there in terms of what's going on in crypto. So, guys, let's get into it. Let's absolutely freaking get in. So all I got to say is howdy. Don't forget to go down there, boop the likes, smash the likes, and so supreme. For those of you guys, get it while you can, guys. It's a great time to be like. And I don't need to remind you that this is not financial advice. But this is not financial advice. Hopefully I'm not scaring the kids getting so close to the camera. And guys, do go back and watch all my other videos out there. This is kind of an emergency video. What the heck happened to crypto, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu out there? So go back, become a member, and remember, don't get a smash like. So, what's going on? We got the U.S. markets. They opened down, down. The U.S. markets tanked. We saw that the pre-markets were tanking. And we're also seeing that Morgan Stanley and Netflix earnings went down. We also saw that one of the reasons that, we saw the whole panic sell pre-market-wise is because I talked about in my previous video, Germany, Poland, and others are pushing for new sanctions on Russia's nuclear energy. So, that didn't help. Then we got the Zuckerberg, your friend, my friend, the Zuck that sucks out there. The Zucker, they're going to be laying off a ton of people. So as part of Meta's layoff announcement last month, the company has started saying goodbye to some people in technical roles. Over 2 rounds of layoffs. In November, Meta said it will be cutting 21, let that sink in, 21,000 jobs, guys. Wow. That's a lot of people, and you don't want to be looking for a job right now. So, Zuckerberg, your day is over, bro. Your day in the sun is over because you fudged it. You absolutely fudged it with Facebook. You basically lacked the leadership, and other platforms take it over. So that's too bad for you out there. We're seeing that, I can't stress what a knucklehead out there. So 2 weeks, 17 hours before we get 25% basis point. Confirm out there. It's like 100% confirmed as far as I'm concerned. Rate hikes, are they going to help the economy? No way. Jose, they're not going to be good. It's not going to help. It's going to be a total knuckle dragging, dumb move out there. Into the block. What's going on? Let's give this a minty refresh out there. We are seeing Dogecoin 911. I got this 911 on the break. Out there, Doge 11. We're seeing that we're down as well. The markets are down. Not good. Look at that. Wow. Retinol warning. Your eyes are about to melt. Get protective eyewear now. So we're seeing it's a pretty poo-poo shmana show out there. Ethereum is getting slammy, whammy, hammer time out there, and it's well below a $2,000 support. That was resistance. That was like the pre-Shanghai resistance level. But guess what, peeps? We're below that. Oh, it's a nasty day. It's a nasty day in crypto world out there. But OG and phrase, I've seen this kind of stuff happen time and time again. We're going to be talking about what it means, why it's happening, and what's the freaking cause of this? Debbie Downer, Crunchville, Poopushmanaville for Bitcoin. I bumped my camera. I bumped the camera out there. I'm adjusting it out there. So we're seeing Bitcoin is down. We're seeing that the BNB is down. Bitcoin is down like 3%. Ethereum is down 6%. Not good. We're seeing Cardano is down 5%. Doge is down 5%. The only reason Doge is down is because Doge is following Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is taking a leak. But you will see Doge recover like crazy any second, guys. So that is pretty good. We're seeing the Shibas down as well. So everything's kind of, the average tankage for most of altcoins is about 5%. Bitcoin is down 3.2%. And not to worry. Do not worry out there, guys. What do we got in terms of announcements this week? Let's give this a minute to refresh. Let's see. We got Empire State Manufacturing. Who cares? That happened already. We've got initial jobless claims that is coming out on Thursday. A little bit of impact, but nothing too big. Not too much, guys. Nothing too much. Basically, a lot of this, a lot of that. So yeah. Why did Bitcoin down? Why did Dogecoin down? Why? We're gonna get into that in a second. Well, one of the reasons it dumped is because there was a lot of leverage logs out there. And, we talked about, and I showed you in my previous video, that we had over $185 million worth of leverage logs. They got back. And this was pure and simple market makers manipulation, because what they wanted to do is they wanted to take as much liquidity as the market as possible. So now that Bitcoin is dumped, and you can see here, now that Bitcoin has taken a complete dumpski, and remember, we saw this, we did see this, okay? We saw this here on Monday. We had a dump. Then we had a pump, okay? Now we're going to have another dump today. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow, boys and girls? You think we're going to go down or we're going to go up? I'm pretty sure we're going to go back up again. Then we're going to build up. We're going to go up. All the leverage apes out there are going to go, oh, okay, it's okay. And they're all going to leverage their patooties back into the market. And they're going to start building up long positions again, because they're going to think that it's going to go down. So what's going to happen? If the too many longs, then the market maker will push this wick down. If there's a lot of shorts, if the leverage they're aching. If the leverage apes say, okay, it's this down, the downside pressure, this dump is going to continue, and they go down to this level, which is 28.292, which is a previous support level. What happened is the market maker is going to do the opposite, and it's going to push it up. So it all depends on what is the balance of leverage longs or leverage shorts. If we got more leverage longs, the price will go down. The market makers will take it out. If we got a lot of leverage shorts, the market maker will want to take the liquidity. That's what they want to do. They want to take the freaking liquidity out there. That's what they want to do. And what they're doing is, remember, most of the people that got rickety wick out there, these are retail investors. These are not institutions. Institutions don't play like that. It's all the greedy Joe Public out there, Joe Nancy, that think they can get rich quick, and they're gambling. It's basically gambling, guys. So don't do it. We're seeing that most of the wreckage came from Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and Doge. Like Doge, man. Like, people are going stupid and leverage trading Doge. This is the dumbest thing you can ever do. Don't leverage trade. And if you get leverage trade and you lose all your money, that's your fault. That's on you. That is just being dumb. And once again, as we see, the markets are volatile and a bit sketchy out there. Secure your crypto. If you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, you don't own anything. You own absolutely bupkas out there. Get a NANO Leger. Linky, pinky is down below, guys. And if you're watching, thank you. If you smash the likes or boot the likes, thank you. If you didn't, I ain't saying thank you about that. So get on over there. So what are we seeing for Bitcoin right now? Let's deep dive in the technicals. Let's deep dive into the technicals. Let's go. Sure. So we are seeing that Bitcoin is well below my blue box. And this has been, this whole area here is 30,300 has been like a big pain in the butt to get past. We are below my blue trending line. So now this is definitely bearish. So the bears are said, hey, we're not going to take it anymore, bulls. We're going to kick you in the nuts, and we're going to take it down, down. But I think around this area here, we're going to get the bulls are going to lick their wounds, recover from being kicked in the nuts, and they're going to fight back. And I think we're going to probably push it back up above this line. It's a matter of time. So I ain't worried, sure, in the short term, you guys are going, but, long term, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're going to be just fine. I'm going to be fine. What's going on with Ethereum? Wow. Ethereum took a huge hit as well because most of the leverage longs that got whippity-wipity out, it was Ethereum. So people are going nuts on Ethereum. Guys, hey, if you're missing notifications to be part of the conversation, get it. And are you ready? Twitter accepting Doge on 420. Are you ready for the Starship announcement launch? Are you ready for so much goodness when it comes to Doge, guys? And if you love the Doge like I love you out there, don't forget to go and smash 111. And the alien who just made an appearance, and I told the alien, go find out where Annabelle is. I think she escaped from Mars. She's probably waddling around somewhere on planet Earth out there. So that's probably why we're going down. So what do I see? Bitcoin has rallied into a higher high, okay? We saw that. Though BTC closed above the high price, wasn't able to reclaim its support. 28,000 is a key support to hold on the weekly. So we need to hold the 28,800 on the weekly, and I think it's a no-brainer. Let's take a look at it on the weekly. Bing, bitty, bing, 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 bing. So if we take a look at it on a weekly, it's no problem. We are definitely going to hold. We need to hold the 28K level, the 28.8. We're fine. We're definitely going to be holding. I wouldn't be too much worried about that. It's okay. This is a support area we need to hold. We are going to hold it. It's okay. Remember, we did break out of this funnel. We got a little bit of, this is market makers here. Okay, that's all that is. Don't panic. Looks like just in, Hong Kong court recognizes cryptocurrency as property, so that is pretty cool beans out there. I don't know who this guy is, Chad, Crypto Wallet. I don't know who you are, brother, but you're looking pretty scary out there. Okay, I'm scared to be looking at that. Just in, looks like the Ruskies prepare draft law to allow use of crypto for international trade settlements. Okay, and that comes in line. That coincides with this, right? Okay, so yeah, markets are tanking. Oh no, panic! Don't panic. Grow a pair. Be a big boy. So just in, looks like U.S. Congressman introduces bill to restructure the SEC and get rid of our friend Gary, Mr. Love Letter. You deserve it, brother, because you've just been a rogue piece of, carcass out there, and you deserve to get fired and join unemployment line. So when we look at the unemployment rate, we're going to have +1. Thank you, Gary. Good night, nurse, buddy. You're out of there. Guys, did you know that for the fiscal year 2023, the U.S. government will generate $2.3 trillion in income taxes? Whoa. So make sure you pay your taxes. Don't forget to pay your crypto taxes, guys. If you don't, you can get incarcerated out there, guys. So don't get incarcerated. The U.S. will also collect $1 trillion in Social Security and $409 billion in Medicare. Okay. But meanwhile, interest expense on U.S. debt is expected about $500 million. That's more than Medicare, boys and girls, cats, dogs, aliens. The U.S. will officially be paying more money in interest on the federal debt than they have collected in Medicare. By 2023, the annual interest on U.S. debt is expected to hit $1 trillion, or 25% of the annual government revenue. Whoa, that's not a good look. That's definitely not a good look out there. What else is coming in? 200 hours of Bitcoin price action wiped out in 13 minutes. So, we had this beautiful 200 hours of Bitcoin trending up. We got a huge correction. It got wiped out. Don't panic. Market makers, do not panic out there. It's leverage traders. I mean, if people just stop leverage trading, we wouldn't have this. And it's good. It's a nice, let's get the water over ourselves. Let's be in water. It's precarious sweat, by the way. So from that perspective, it's the leverage traders. It's normal, having a little bit of correction this is not a dump, this correction for Bitcoin to wash out all the paper hands, wash out all of the leverage snowflake apozoids out there. It's no problem. It's a good thing. Proof to likes. I need a cake or my throat's weird. Oh, that's good. So it's a good thing. I ain't panicking. I seen this. I mean, I've been in this business a long freaking time. I've seen this a ton of times, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic out there. If you're part of the crypto daily trade signals out there, you shouldn't be panicking. You should have big, strong cojones out there, nuts like still. And this is a thing. This always happens. Bitcoin is it's not going to go up forever in the short term. Long term, it's going up. Yay. We know that. But, short-term volatility is fine. We flushed out a bunch of, we flushed out the leverage traders, I said. We flushed out the paper hands. It's fine. It's a bit of a reset. And what's going to happen now is Bitcoin's going to bounce back faster, stronger, and we're going up to the moon, guys. I mean, call me an optimist. I'm an optimistic. So, okay. So it looks like 160 million. And I told you it's actually more than that. It's 183 now. Million long position liquidated in minutes as Bitcoin crashes below 29. Oh, end of the world stuff. So, in the past hour, the past hour has caused a bloodbath within crypto industry as most of them took massive beating. Whack, whack, whack. This saw a whopping 183 now million worth of liquidated leverage long position in less than 60 minutes. Wow. The bulk of which came from Ethereum. So, like I said, Ethereum got slammed done. Ethereum got tuned up. It got tuned up. According to data from CoinGlass, the total amount of liquidations throughout the past hour alone is 180. It's 183. Okay, I showed you the update. Given that 98% of these came from a leveraged long position, only 4 million was from short sellers. The bulls are taking a beating. Well, they got tuned up. The bulls got tuned up by the bears. The bears are tuning up the bulls. The bulk of liquidation past hour came from Ethereum. Bitcoin remains close second, with about 27 million, followed by Doge and XRP. So we all got tuned up because of leverage trading. So the moral of the story is, do not leverage trade, because it's the leverage traders that's ruining for everybody else. Because we were happy-go-lucky, crypto people, right? And we were just like, everything was looking, lovely jubbly out there. Let me put this on the daily, so you can take a look. So we were looking like lovely jubbly. Everything was going up. Out there, we had a little bit of, kerfuffle here. But also, don't forget, it's Wednesday. Wednesday is often the witching day, and that's when things start to get weird. So Wednesdays are weird. And then, don't forget, we got all these earnings. And because we had the negative earnings, that created a little bit of panic, and the market makers took advantage of the negative earnings reports to create more panic. And of course, these leverage longs that got wiped down, they started leveraging more because they wanted to make their money back. It's just insanity. So with the market correcting now is the time to monitor which coins hold up best relative to the market. So these will be the ones that will bounce right hard. So look at BTC pairs to identify the relative strength. So what you want to do is you want to look at the altcoins right now, top 50 projects, and which ones kind of bounce back hard. And these are going to be the ones that are going to tell you that these projects are going to come back good, and they're going to be solid. So, like I said, Bitcoin trending, 190K tweets on Bitcoin. We got Air Doge, a lot of baby Doges. We got KuCoin, Crypto Market. We got Pepe. I don't know what that's. But, these meme coins, there's meme coins everywhere. It's like meme wars. News, Bitcoin is now below Tesla. Again, Tesla and Bitcoin are kind of like duking it up. Who's going to be number one? So, looks like Tesla just tuned up Bitcoin. And Bitcoin took a dump. It took a serious kerfuffle. So every breakout requires a retest. Nothing to worry about, okay? So don't forget, we've been in this 2-year falling wedge, inverse head and shoulder forming over the 6-month continuation pattern. That's 3 bullish events in one chart. So that is why I'm bullish. Long term, I'm still freaking bullish. I'm not worried. I'm not phased. I'm actually laughing my butt off because I just thought it was funny. And I could imagine people's faces when Bitcoin just went boom. I'm sure some people wet the bed, ran up the hill, and screamed into the money. It's okay, guys. It's normal. We're still seeing, if we take a look at a repo chart, if you don't believe me, let me just give this a minute to refresh out there. Dogecoin 101. I got my flash refresher and get some libation, because my throat is not good. I don't know what's going on. What's on this chat? Use the chat. There we go. It's a little bit. So, if you take a look at this chart right now, it's saying basically accumulate. And that's the repo chart. Don't worry about it. Looking good out there. This is from Seth out there. He says Bitcoin, if this happens, and it has happened, degenerates, the degens, they got the longest, they got flushed out. Poor. Crypto scam projects also got flushed out. Exchanges making lots of money. Remember, the only people that are making money when leverage traders get wrecked is the exchanges. They make it either way. All right, plebs get wrecked and miss another pump. So it is, the degen plebs, they got wrecked and they're gonna miss out on another pump. Do not leverage trade. Remember, one Dogecoin is worth one Dogecoin. Okay, it doesn't matter what the Dogecoin pair is to fiat or Bitcoin. It's one freaking Doge. If you leverage trade and you get wrecked, it's your fault. Don't cry. Smash, boop, incinerate, get the likes. Do it now. I love you. You love me. Do it, do it, do it. All right. So, basically not quite the scale 2021 Wednesday flushes yet, but it's quite big for what we've seen in 2023. So this is one of the biggest Wednesday flushes. And remember, write this down. Often we get flushes on Wednesdays. Flushes on Wednesdays. Okay, so just remember Wednesday flush. So we got a Wednesday flush, not a big one, a little bit. So let's talk about Doge. Well, we all know Doge is in the toilet right now. Woof, woof. Dogecoin, fear and greed. Are you worried with this latest dump? No, I'm not worried, not even in the slightest. I think of this as an opportunity to buy the freaking dip, to buy the dippity dip, to buy the dippity dip, to buy the dippity dip. So that's what I'm doing. That's what you should do, not financial advice. You do you out there. Guys, are you ready? Twitter accept Doge 420. That's tomorrow. I'm expecting something. Doge Day, Elon Musk teases Starship launch on Dogecoin 420. So let's hopefully, Elon Musk will come out. So that'll be good. The team is working around the clock on many issues, maybe 420, maybe not. So it looks like, in case you missed this weedy week, it looks like 420, we could get the Starship launch out there. Go Elon, go. Go Elon, go. So guys, retweet. Do you think Starbucks should accept Doge? I think so. I mean, I'm a big Starbucks shareholder. I got like 10,000 shares of Starbucks. I love Starbucks, not chilling for Starbucks. But I'd like to see Starbucks coffee accept Doge. That would be fun. That would be cute. Bring more community in. So what's going on for Doge right now? Well, Doji Boji. Well, guys, we tapped all the way as low as 0.851. We're coming back right now. So let me just measure that for you, guys. So we went all the way down here. We're gone back up like 4.75% from the low today. So that's not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. And I think we could Doge get us above 9 cents again today. So I'm pretty psyched about that. Let's take a look at what's going on. Give this mini first Dogecoin 111. Guys and gals, don't forget it. Out there. So we're seeing the volumes are picking up. 1 billion. We're seeing the market cap is down. Not too shabby, up 25%. So I think we're going to turn around. It's going to come back, guys. Actually going to come back. Let's see who's in the money. Let's see who's out of the money. For the Doge, where's your out there? So we're seeing right now, Dogecoin 111. Internet's kind of slow out here. 66% are in the money. 31% out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's take a look at the social sentiment for the Doge warrior. Yeah, it's in the toilet. But nobody cares about Doge. Guys, start caring about the Doge. On the month we were up, but it's not looking good. Okay. That's all I'm going to say about that. Let's take a look at SHIB. I'm scared to look at, whoa. That's a nasty picture. That's not a good picture. So we're seeing that the Shiba Inu is below 1100 out there. Not good. Doge is doing better. I must say Doge is doing better. Like I said, a lot of people are gotten a little bit bored with Shiba Inu. We had this whole Shibarium, beta, puppy net, yada, yada. Nothing's happening. But don't sleep on Shiba because, when people start to stop talking about it, when the press dies out, that's when things really happen, guys. So don't sleep on it. So that's going to bring this video, we're done, video to an end. I'll see you, degens and community tomorrow out there. we're getting pretty close to 7,500 followers on Twitter. That's awesome out there, guys. So, guys, be well, be blessed. Do all those kind of things. I love you all. Get the merch if you will, or not. That's do you out there. So, guys, I got the black glass. I got the black shirt. It's a weird day out there. Don't panic. It's Wednesday, the witching day out there. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.